going to do another quick review on some California compliance parts. First thing I'm going to show is this grip here. This is a Sparrow grip by Sparrow Dynamics. It's an angled grip instead of that pistol grip you're used to seeing on ARs. Since in California, pistol grips are illegal unless you have that magazine lock on there. And then also, I got this stock stop right here. This right here is made by Strike Industries. I love this configuration, especially for once I put my stock on it. It just gets in place real quick. It's not going to move for me. So then, perfectly legal in the state of California. If you're wanting to do a featureless build, I highly recommend this way. It's very easy to do, and this is tolerable versus having to deal with a stupid paddle right there.